This is a pothole filled with water and having mud inside that. Kawashu Instant Road Patch Filler. It's a very easy free flow kind of material. See in this video. It's a self-compacting kind of material, removing any dust. Yeah, it's a very soft bit of material. अब आराम से कर दो, बाकी कंप्लीट कर देगी. Now we are throwing some water in over it.